What's up guys, Tony Maritato here. In this Medicare Minute, I'm going to share with you how you can find out if you have a Medicare provider number, a PTAN, and how you can find out what that provider number is. So let's jump on the screen and I'll show you what to do. So a provider transaction access number, a PTAN, is a Medicare only number. It's not the same as the MPI. The MPI is national. It's used for all payer plans and identifying you as a healthcare provider. The PTAN is specific to Medicare. And so there's two ways that you can look up if you have a PTAN. And I can tell you that if you've been working in outpatient, Part B facility, private practice, most likely you already have a PTAN. The employer probably got you one because you're required to have a personal PTAN if you're treating Medicare beneficiaries under Part B. And typically what happens is the employer gets you the PTAN, reassigns it to the group, and then when the group submits a claim for services you have rendered, your MPI goes on the claim, the group MPI goes on the claim, and payment gets forwarded to the group. So let's take a look. Where can I find my MPI? There's really two ways to do it. One is you view the letter that was sent by your MAC to the enrollment, for the enrollment of your Medicare application. Now, typically, employees never see this letter. It should go to you, but over 100 people that I've spoken to, none of them have ever seen it nor have any idea what I'm talking about. So the more common way to find your PTAN is to log into the internet-based PECOS system, P-E-C-O-S, and what you'll do is you'll check on My Enrollments. There's a button, it's usually on the right upper menu section. You'll click View Enrollments, locate the applicable enrollment, click View Medicare ID Report, and then this will show you a list of the providers or suppliers with active PTANs in the report. And once you understand that, once you're in the PECOS system, you can usually also look up any reassignments that are still active. Quite often, I'll talk to providers who might have worked part-time for an outpatient clinic 3 years ago, and they still have an active reassignment. So that's one of those things that you just want to get in there and clean up, do a little housekeeping. But the best, quickest, easiest way to find out if you have a provider number and what that PTAN is to go into the PECOS system. If you're not sure if you have an account, just go try, log in. There's a series of questions they'll ask you. And once you get in there, just look for the My Enrollments button and look to view your enrollments. There's also a Medicare lookup tool that you can try. But guys, this was Medicare Minute. If you have specific questions, post them in the comments of this video and I'll get to your questions as soon as I see them. Thanks for watching.